Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. Lorraine here. Thank you for joining me. So this morning I'm just hoping all's well with you all and that you're having a good time crafting. I'm just bringing today this flip through of my design team project for September for the Enchanted Journal kit group on Facebook, and this is one of the lovely Tass's kits that I've worked on this month. It's the Clockwork Punk Birds journal kit. Completely out of my comfort zone. I don't usually do steampunk and quirky things. I'm more of a vintage journaler, if you will. But I thought, challenge yourself, Lorraine. Let's crack on with it. So here it is. So I'll just go through it quickly. This is the kit, but I will put a link down below, and then you can go along and have a look at it yourself on Etsy. So it's a hard covered journal. I've used cardstock doubled to give it a bit of a sturdiness to it, and this is one of the images from the kit, and I've just decorated the front of this cover with this black lace. It's a floral lace. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it's a bit florally. It's got two signatures stitched in, and on the back cover is another one of the images, and again with some more black lace attached to it. The cover's been stitched around to give it a little bit more of a sturdiness. It's got two signatures. I said that on the two signatures. I haven't counted the pages, but there's probably over 50 pages in this journal, and it's bright and colourful. So on the front I've made pockets out of some cardstock that I have in my stash, and then I've made tags from the journal pages. I've done some stamping on the inside. Another journal card using up some of the pages. Some lace on the side of this page. Another pocket from my stash, but I've used a smaller print from the kit, and a journal card behind there. Lots of space in here for journaling. Another one of the pages, and some more lace on that page. And here I've got a double pocket, again using up cardstock from my stash. I've done this little cluster for the front, and I've used a sticker. It's obviously not from the kit, but it's the bird theme, so I've used it. And then another journal card tucked into this pocket, this funky bird. This isn't from the kit, this is from Tracy Fox, I think, but I thought it went, so I'll put it in. I've made a large tag there from one of the pages, so that just tucks inside there. I love this one, I love this page. And then here we have some more stamping on this page. I've made a pocket from some cardstock. This is another one of Tracy's, not from this kit. And here is another little journal card that I've made up. I love these, all these designs and plans for the mechanical birds. Brilliant. And I've put some lace trim on there. Here I've done a tuck spot on this page, and behind it is a large journal space cabinet card, I think you would call that. So that tucks in there, and obviously you can tuck more because there's space inside of there. Two large pockets again, and inside each pocket is a large tag and little journal cards. And in the front pockets, two journal cards, blank, so there's lots of space there for you to put whatever you want on there. And then over the page, this cute image, and I've put some more lace on that page. I've just done a top tuck pocket here, and I've made this journal card envelope I don't think there's anything, there's nothing in the envelope, but you've got space for storing whatever you want. So I've just done out of my stash, I've made this envelope, put this image on top, and then some little numbers on there. Again, using up, these is 6x6 papers that I've got, so I've just used those up, put this, I thought these numbers went so well, I can't remember where I've got these from, I'm sorry, I can't tell you. Another journal card there, and one again in the front there. Here I've done a flip, I've again 6x6 paper from my stash, and I've put this image from the kit on the front. It flips up and you've got journal space here. You can put whatever you want on the front of that, and inside there is a large tag. Another large pocket, and again you can write over these cogs and wheels. Another tag from the kit, and I've backed it with just paper stash, and you've got journaling space here at the top. And onto the second signature, another pocket. I've used up some of the kit paper, and again I've made this large tag, journaling space on that page, and another page from the kit. Oops. This is from my stash. It was 12x12 card that I didn't think I would ever use, but I thought it just went so well with these things. So again, journaling space on there, and I've done a large journaling card that's just tucked inside this page that I've turned into a pocket. Some more lace trim on this page. Here again, this is from my stash. I can't remember where that's from. I cannot remember. And then I've put this large journal card tucked in there. Another page from the kit. A large tuck pocket here, and inside is a large journal card. This is eyelash trim, and I've dyed these. I only have white eyelash trim, so when I need a colour, and I use my distress inks to colour them. A little pocket that it was this colour, plain this colour, and I've put gesso over the front of it, and then stamped it with some Tim Holtz stamp, and then a little notelet inside there. Feather. I did make, let me find it. I did make, because it's got feathers in here, I did make some, I'll put it on that page, then you can see some feathers following a tutorial. And I was going to tuck them in, and in fact I can tuck that one in there. There's another one here, a larger one that I made. I was going to put some beads on the top of here, but I haven't got around to it. So more lace trim on there, a belly band here, and I've just made a journal card. That looks pretty bland, that. Let me just sometimes I don't like, sorry if my head got in the way there, sometimes I don't like straight corners. I just think it's jammed again. There we go. I'd much prefer it, I don't know. And this is a tuck as well, so you can tuck something at the front. So, and again on this side, another belly band. I made this. I've just bought a Cricut cutting machine. Well, it does more than cutting. And so I cut out these cogs and wheels from foil cardstock. And I thought, I'll put that in as a journal card. But again, I want to take the corners off. So that just tucks behind there. This is waxed linen thread that I've fastened the signatures in with, and again using up some of the scrap from the kit and then some of my 6x6. This is an old tag that I made quite a while ago, but I thought it went quite well, the colour schemes. So, and it's got some cheesecloth as a tab on the top of there. Another one of the mechanical birds, not from this kit. I've done a little cluster on the front of this tag, and that just tucks behind there. Here, using up some of my cardstock that I've got in my stash, and I've just tucked behind this journal card. This again from the kit that I used up some of the pages, and some of the scrap again I've turned into a little tag for this pocket. Sorry. Another tuck spot here. I've put some lace trim on the edge of there, and again this is from one of my 6x6 papers, so I've just turned it into a journal card. Another tag with some ribbon on, and another little journal card, and again another die cut from my Cricut machine because it went with the steampunk theme, so did that. And then a large pocket here on the back that I've got this bird tag behind. I know it's not a punk bird, but it's a bird, and this is also a tuck spot, so you can put something in there. So that is my design team project for September, from Enchanted Journal Kit on Etsy. I will put the link below for that, and enjoy your day. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh no.